I feel like Great Danes are really great cuddlers, and Nina's favorite thing right now is ripping off anything that has like these tags. I've been finding like 2 or 3 of them. Oh, Finn's here. If you pet her when she sleeps, she makes noises. Okay, of course she doesn't do it for the camera, but oh, there it is. She's such a good girl. Princess Nina. Nina Elizabeth. Oh, out of focus.